Hello guys, it is Brittany here and welcome back to my Color Guard YouTube channel. Today I have another flag tossing tutorial for you guys. So if you know how to do a couple variations on 45s, you might be wondering, how can I do a strip 45? And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that today, so keep watching. Okay, so let's talk about how to do all of these strip 45s and all their different rotation variations. First thing you need to know is that all strip 45s are going to be a little loftier than you're used to on your normal 45s that are pretty quick on the release. These are going to be a little loftier, a little slower, meant to be a little more dramatic. So when you do toss these, it will fit a little different, just a little FYI. But how we hold it for a strip 45 is I'm going to take my pointer and my thumb and I'm going to strip up my flag this way towards my end cap. I want to make sure that I don't cover my end cap when I strip it, just because that will result in me getting a sail when I try to toss it. So main thing you just want to think, take your fingers, strip up your flag, give yourself a little bit of space up top just to make sure we don't get that sail, and then you're going to set it just like you would a normal single, single and a half, or double 45 on your right hip. And then from here you would pull both your hands to your flat release point right above your head, and then from here our hands would separate to our regular 45 release point. And other than that, we follow all the same technique as a standard 45 toss, whatever variation you are tossing. And let me go ahead and just show you what that looks like. One more thing that you guys should know about these strip 45s before we toss them is that since we are setting with our flag up, which is the opposite of how we would normally hold it for most 45s, we're also going to catch the opposite way with our flags. So just think ahead. So if I am tossing a single, instead of catching flag up, I would catch flag down. Single and a half, I would catch flag up, and a double, I would catch flag down. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. Guys, that is going to do it for today's video. Remember, if you have any suggestions for future videos or things that you are struggling on, I would love to help you guys out. So please feel free to leave a comment of anything I can help you with. And if you have any questions about anything I talked about in this video, also feel free to leave a comment. That's all for me. Keep spinning. Have a great day. Bye.